There was a time when anxiety controlled my life. The racing thoughts, the tight chest, the feeling that something was always wrong, even when everything was fine. Then one day, I tried something simple, just one habit, and slowly, it changed everything. I started writing 3 things I was grateful for every morning, not on my phone, not in my head, but with a pen on paper. I called it my daily grounding. At first, it felt silly, but within days, I noticed something. My mind felt lighter, my breathing slower. I was no longer starting my day in panic. This tiny habit became my anchor. Gratitude journaling rewired my focus. From fear to peace. From what's missing to what's already here. If you're struggling with anxiety, try this. Before you check your phone, before the world rushes in, write down 3 things you're thankful for. That's it. No apps, no therapists, just pen and paper. Sometimes the smallest habit becomes the strongest healer. This one small habit cured my anxiety. Now it's your turn. Gratitude, mental peace, healing. Habit